How to log in TD credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you log in or sign into your TD credit card online. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for TD credit card login. After you search for that, simply you can find official site of TD Bank. Tap on the option td.com. After you are in the official interface, tap on the login option at the top right, and from here choose for the option cards. From here choose for credit card, and from this section you'll have to just provide your username and password. After you provide your correct username and password here, simply tap on login. If you haven't forgot your password, simply tap on forgot username or password. After that, from there you can also recover, and that's it. This is the method you can log into your TD credit card online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.